we'll see the ledger format, ledger accounts format like a T shape. So from here it is this part is debit, this part is credit. Okay. Now how to post the directly in the ledger? You can write this middle line is separating the debit and credit. This column is date column. Okay, this column is date column and this column is particular column. This column is JL, journal folio. We will not use this column now. Amount rupees, date column, particular column, JF column, amount in rupees. Okay. Ledger account title, here we will write title. For example, it is so and so account, person account. Okay. For example, Sunil account. So you write down Sunil account, like this you should write. Okay. Title name, name of the ledger, cash account, like any name. Okay. So and here in a directly you can write the ledgers by seeing the transactions. Generally they will give in the questions amount due to, amount due by so and so person. They will give amount due to, amount due to, if we see amount due to a person, for example, if we see the sixteenth problem is there, the amount due to Vamshi is there. Amount due to Vamshi. Okay. Amount due to Vamshi. 2 means we should write down this transaction by side. By side means it is credit side, you have to write. Amount due from, if from is there, amount due from Anu. Due from is there, you should write down 2 side in the account, it is debit side. Where will write here 2, here by 2 and by 2 and by. Now here what you should write down, amount due to means by side, balance. You should write down balance brought down. Okay. Amount due to Vamshi means by side, you should write down. By side means credit side, you have to show this one. Amount due to amount due from means 2 side, you should write down. 2 means debit side, DR. Okay. This point what you should write down means same, balance brought down, opening value, so balance brought down. Next they will ask generally purchases, sales in the transactions. Purchases, okay, goods or purchased goods from the Vamshi. Purchased goods from the Vamshi. Purchased goods from the Vamshi. Purchased will come in the directly, you should write down credit side. In journals it is debit, but here you should write down directly by purchase account, directly credit side. Okay. And sales, if purchase is coming in debit, credit side means sales in the Debit side, that's it. Opposite side, sales. To sales account. Sales credit debit side. Sales debit side. Purchase credit side. Sales debit side means sales return. Credit side opposite side. Sales return will come opposite side. So sales return you should write down. Credit side. Sales return. Return account. Credit side. Okay. Sales return credit side means purchase return debit side opposite side. Purchase sales always opposite side. So purchase return opposite side. Purchase return. Okay. Purchase return account. When we are paying cash paid through check, cash paid to Vamshi. Cash paid to Vamshi. Cash paid to Vamshi. We are paying. So cash paid to Vamshi. All the paid transactions in a ledger account, cash paid to Vamshi. You should write down debit side. Any paid transaction, paid cash is there. So generally you should write down cash only, but for the remembering these points, paid debit side you should write down. Any received cash from the Vamshi is there. Received from the so and so person. Received from the so and so person. You should write down debit side. Any received amount is there. Sorry, credit side. Received cash. So cash mainly you should write down. So cash account. Okay. So these are the main points. These points only is repeating in every problem. So balance brought down, balance brought down. Some problems it is there, some problems it is not there. They will ask amount due to or amount due from. Due to means here you should treat it is a buy side. Buy side means credit side. Amount due from means ikkada from means opposite to here. Debit side. What you should write down? Balance brought down. Sales will come debit side. Sales return will come credit side. Purchase will come credit side. Purchase return will come debit side. Cash paid is debit side. Cash received is credit side. Okay. This is the format you should remember when you are writing the transactions in the ledger accounts. Now we'll see one account in the ledgers. In this we'll see the Vamshi account only. Okay. Yeah. In the place of Sunil we'll write Vamshi. Vamshi account. Here balance due to Vamshi is there. Balance due to Vamshi. So here I told you amount due to Vamshi. So buy side you should write down. It means credit side. So what is the date here? Date is given in the problem 1 August 18. So the balance brought down value is given in the problem is 4,400. 16th problem in the textbook. 4,400. Intermediate first year 16th problem. Okay. And now second transaction, goods purchased from the Vamshi. Fifth date, purchased from the Vamshi. So purchased from the Vamshi 1500 is there. So I told you purchase where you should write down directly. Fifth date August 18. By purchase account 1500 credit side directly. If you know this transaction directly you can write sold goods to Vamshi. Sold debit side. Once balance brought down, credit side completed, then no need the debit side of this transaction. You can erase it. First transaction, it is not there. So no need. Now sales, to sales. What is the date? 10 August 18. Amount is 1200 is given in the problem. Okay. To purchase next 13th, received check from Vamsi. We received a check. Received is credit side here. The received check means here you should write down bank account. So received no need, bank account. How much is received? 1000 rupees. Next, paid cash to Vamshi. So we are paying cash to Vamshi, 17th date. Here is the 17th date. August 18. How much is paid? 100 rupees. Only 100. So cash account. Next. Vamshi returned goods. Vamshi returned goods. Which return it is? Vamshi returned goods. We sold to him. He returned goods. Sales return is he. Okay? Sales return it is. Sales return. See sales return where it is? Here. Sales return. What is the date here? 23rd August 18. Okay? Sales return account. How much is the amount is given? Okay? 200 in the problem. Next, purchased goods from the Vamshi. Again one more purchase is there. 500. 29th date. So here it is not there. So we will write. Oh, bank transaction I forgot. 13 August. And here 29th date again purchase is there. By purchase. Purchase account. How much is the amount? 500 rupees. Okay. Clear? And here he is asking us to see Vamsi account settled with the 5% of the discount. So he is asking us to 5% discount. So this return is not there. Purchase return is not there. So I am erasing it. I am erasing the purchase return. Now clear. We'll see now. Do the total of this side and this side separately. Okay. And working notes. And here credit side, debit side total. Add this total. 4,400, 5,000 and 5,000, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,600. Okay, 7,600. Next, debit side 1200 plus 100, 1300. So do it minus. Highest minus lowest. Highest credit side. Credit minus debit. Okay, minus I am doing. 0, 0, 3 and 7, 6, 6,300. This is the value. 6,300 is difference amount. This is difference. Okay. On this difference we have to calculate the 5%. 6,300 into 5% we have to calculate. 5 by 100. 2 zeros cancel. So now we have to do the 5 3s are 15. 5 1. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31 15. So 315. 315 is a discount. Okay. Now 6,300 minus 315. This is the discount value. Okay. 315 minus. Then you will get the 5,000 5,985. So This 315 is discount and this amount is settling amount. We have to write as a bank. Nowadays we are dealing with the mostly bank only, na? So see, discount we have to, if any 5% settled with the discount, 10% settled with the discount means we have to do like this. On the difference amount, credit minus debit, this difference amount 6,300. On this 5% we have to do. You got the 315 is the discount amount. Again, from the difference you should do deduct the difference, this discount amount, difference minus discount amount. So we got this 5,985. So now where you are getting low amount, debit side. So I am writing debit side to discount account 315 to bank account 5,985. So the date is month ending date. What is the month ending date? 31st August 18. 31st August 18, 2018. Okay. So now you add the total. Here already you know this amount 7,600. And here if you add here 0 and 0, 6, 7. The same amount you will get. Tally. Account is closed. Account settled. With the discount of 315 and 5,985 is the answer. These two are the answers. Okay. Like this you have to directly do the ledger accounts. Okay. Then you can save your time. Okay. Thank you. This is the process for the ledger.